Oh, what do we have here? Another package has arrived. There we have it. What might that be for? Stay tuned for another project. So, what do we have here? They're $200. They look like push bike forks, but they're not. They're girder forks. Well, part of a girder fork anyway. I believe these, although there's no marks on them, and even the seller didn't know what they are, I believe they are made by Druid in the UK, and they are very, very similar, if not made for, the Waratah motorcycle, which is my 1920s vintage motorcycle that's currently an ongoing project at the moment, and these are for that. Stay tuned for more.